Hi everyone, look, I got Pin For Love A to Z, 2 cases, 28 boxes, and let's open this up, see can I get secret. Finger crossed. If you like video like this, make sure you follow me over here, turn on notification bell and know the time and day I release my video, and we're gonna have a giveaway. So make sure to stay watching until end of the video. Okay, so let's open the A to M. This is the first one we're gonna open. So the secret is one of the 168 boxes, you get 1 secret. I don't know, we'll see what happens. And by the way, friends, I got my Pin For Love from Labubu. Thank you, Nick. Thank you so much for inviting me to the dinner party. I was able to score 2 cases here. If you guys want to get your Labubu with a reasonable price, go to Labubu. I'll put their link down below. Oh my god, there's so many in here. I'm gonna just randomly pull this out. This is gonna be a very long video. So there's a lot of people talking about they are not happy with the brand new Pin For Love because of the quality. They are so tiny. Look at this. Look at all the design they have here. So I'm not gonna look at the box. I'm going to pull this out to see. Oh my god, they are so small. So tiny, so tiny. Oh my god, what the heck? This is a little white one, and this one is the edge. And the back of Labubu, there's also edge right here, the mark right here. They are really very small. Okay, box number 2. Do you think I'm gonna get secrets? That will be amazing, right? Let's see what is this? This is kind of, wait, what happens? It's stuck in the bottom, okay. I do like the new packaging, the drawstring bag. It's reusable, so it's really great. Okay, see. It is the green one. This is It's gonna be a long video. Box number 3. It'd be amazing at Post Secret. Remember last time I bought 10 cases of a V3? I didn't even get anything. Let's see. Today, this is so cute. This one is L. Box number 4. Fail. Number 4. Let's see, can we pull secret? This is M. Lavender color, very cute. Box number 5. This is gonna be a very long video. Leave a comment down below which number you would like as a giveaway. Maybe I'll give away the one you want. Okay. This is the question mark. So it's not secret, it's just a question mark. Oops. It's the purple question mark, you see that? Number 6. It's gonna be a very long video, but thank God we're gonna edit this out so it'll be faster for you guys. This is J. Box number 7. Box number 7. Oh, it is the K. See that? Box number 8. I'm gonna lost count very soon. So we're gonna do 2-part video because I cannot do everything in one video. So you want to see the next video for the M to Z, that'll be the next video. Hold on, how do I do that? Okay. Oh, this one is, A is the white one. A. It's cute. Box number 9. Box number 9. Let's see secrets. Secrets. We need secrets. What is this? Oh, it's B. It's cute. Cute. Box number 10. purple. E like Eddie. Box number 11. 3 more boxes to go. Oh my goodness. Never give up until the last seconds, right? Let's see, open this up. Oh, G, it's kind of pink. It's pink color. But what's wrong with this face? I think you need to adjust this a little bit. I don't know. Yeah. Box number 12. 12. This one is F, like a Frank. The little yellow Labubu. Box number 13. Did I lost count somewhere in between? I don't even remember, but don't matter. Let's open this up. Oh. C. Great. This is it. This is it. Last box. Box number 14. Last box. No, it is D. D like a David. Oh man, no secrets. Oh well, so the giveaway is very simple. All you need to do is like this video, comment down below, let me know which number you like, A to M plus question mark in this box, and I will randomly select the winner, and see you next slide for more information. Labubu A to M. The next video will be N to Z. So I'll see you next time. Bye!
Introducing Yibu Beauty's Enchanted Bloom Facial Treatment Oil, a luxurious custom blend crafted to elevate your skincare routine. This exquisite face oil features a harmonious fusion of natural ingredients designed to brighten, soothe, nourish, and hydrate your skin. Experience the transformative power of nature as you indulge in this enchanting formula, revealing a radiant and revitalized complexion. Embrace the essence of beauty with Yibu's Enchanted Bloom, where nature meets elegance.
Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.